Hi, I will check the capacity of Mercedes W211. I will pack 4 winter tires, so let's get it. Oh wow, it's so cold here. Okay, there they are. First one. Second, oh my god. Okay, let's get 2 more. Okay, I'm not gonna throw it through the stairs, but this way is a little better. Let's check here. Okay, where is it? Okay, there it is, in the corner. Oh my gosh, it's a little heavy, but not that much. Whoa. Nice. And now the tires time. And grab the tires. All right. First, second, third, and all. Well, the capacity is very good. And I closed him, so I'm giving it 5 stars. It's snowing on my face. What's wrong with my mirrors? And the right one. No. So let's bring them to the good spot. Low traction, I like it. Okay, and maybe I will do a little drift on the end of the road. How it looks like. Pretty fine. The POV is right. Okay, man. Aim. Take your time. What you doing, buddy? The fuck? Alright. Let's make some. Okay, are they good? Yeah, they're fine. So, thank you for watching this video.